Hi, I'm here at the Hair Club San Diego Center, and I'm gonna get my new hair today. I'm super excited. Come in with me, I'll show you how the magic happens. Coming to Hair Club really changed my life. My hair loss started after battling some cancer procedures. With that, immediately goes my self-esteem, my confidence. I was limited in my activities, I was limited in my confidence, I was limited on the places where I was going. The first time I came to a consultation, I did not know what to expect. I saw a commercial, and so I decided to make a call and make an appointment and give it a try. When I came into Hair Club, I was so embraced and understood. It was very enlightening. It was very educational as well. I did not feel that I was walking into a salon, but basically walking into a place where they specialize in hair loss solutions. Coming from a time of detriment, from a time of sadness, I went to a place of happiness and love for myself and confidence. It's an immediate self-esteem boost. It is truly incredible. I feel so good about myself, where I even changed my clothing style. Between you and I here, I even lost weight and became fit, started exercising again. The hair is so natural and it's so good, high quality. The performance is completely as your hair. So there's no limitation in ways of my personality, my self-esteem. It was a complete rejuvenation. I found love for myself. And when I say I love the club, I mean it with my heart. Hair Club is my family. And I don't take it lightly when I say the Hair Club truly changed my life.